Good day, everyone. My name is Rhea Jane P. Penores, and I am your first presenter for today's discussion together with.
Carol Blanche A. Chavez and
Joel Carpio.
We will discuss about our lesson titled Fiesta Safety Announcer. This lesson is designed for grade 9 students with mixed language backgrounds like Bisaya, Chavacano, and Tausug. Today, we will learn how to create short, clear, and safety announcement for fiestas in Zamboanga. Let's move to pre-task. Activate learners' experience with Zamboanga fiestas. Show images of local fiestas, introduce key vocabulary, belongings, prohibited, event zone, assistance, first aid. Sample lines from model scripts like Good day everyone, welcome to our barangay fiesta celebration. And also please keep your belongings secure at all times. In Zamboanga City and other parts of Mindanao, fiestas are colorful and joyful celebrations. They bring people together to enjoy dancing, food, parades, and other cultural traditions. But with large crowds, it is also important to stay safe. Now, before we begin with our discussion, let us think about this question. Have you ever attended a fiesta? How did you see or what did you see, hear, or feel? Maybe you joined street dancing, watch a parade, or enjoy food with family and friends. Now, look at these images of local fiestas. We can see dancers in colorful costumes and many people gathered together. This reminds us on how crowded and exciting a fiestas can be. Before creating a safety announcements, we need to learn some important words. Belongings, your personal items like phone, wallet, or bag. Prohibited. This means that not allowed. If event zone, a specific area for activities. Assistance, help or support. First aid, medical help or emergencies. Here are the sample lines that we can use when making a fiesta announcements. Like, Good day everyone, welcome to our barangay fiesta celebration. Or please keep your belongings secure at all times. This announcement help people stay safe and aware during the event. In the next part of the lesson, you will create your own fiesta safety announcement just like a real event host. Be ready to work in groups and practice speaking with confidence. The next presenter will be discussed by Mr. Carpio.
Okay, good day to each and everyone. The slides. Okay. I'll be the one to talk about ano to, the task cycle, which is the group create 30 to 45 seconds English Fiesta Safety, which is required parts of the greetings, 3 to 4 safety reminders, emergency assistance instruction, closing lines. For example, parents kindly guide your children near the stage, or smoking is strictly prohibited inside the event. So the explanation of this is, as you can see in the image, are sample safety reminders that groups can use as an inspiration when creating their own 30 to 45 seconds English Fiesta safety announcement. Parents, kindly guide your children near the stage. These examples serve as a specific safety instruction aimed at parents, advising them to ensure their children are safely positioned near the stage area, like to prevent overcrowding or accidents in other zones. Smoking is strictly prohibited inside the event zone. This example is a clear, strict rule regarding a prohibited activity within the event venue, highlighting an important safety and health regulation for attendees. Both examples demonstrate the kind of clear, concise, and direct language suitable for a public safety announcement. Okay, Ms. Peñares, will you move to the next slide? Okay, so the next slide is the group present their 30 to 45 seconds announcement. Teachers listens for clarity of message, complete safety information, realistic delivery, example closing lines. Like for example, thank you and enjoy the celebration. Viva Fiesta. So in this task cycle, it is a friendly, as you can see, it is a friendlier guide planning. Don't rush the preparation. Taking a few dedicated minutes to plan ensures everyone in the group knows their role and is ready to go. This makes the final presentation smoother and more effective, helping you to stay with the time limit. Groups prepare how they will present their announcement. It's smart it is smart to think strategically about how you will deliver your message, choosing the best way, whether it's live, recorded, or a simple script. Let's use your group strength and available tools to make sure your audience really hears what you have to say. Live delivery. This is a great way to practice speaking in public. It helps you connect directly with your audience and get immediate feedback. Plus, it builds your confidence. We can use also recorded video. Going the recording route, let's carefully edit and polish your presentation until it's just right. It is a flexible option that ensures high quality and reach a wider audience whenever they are ready to watch. Script on Manila paper. This physical aid is super helpful for group who prefer having something clear to read from. It guarantees you cover all your main points accurately. It is perfect for anyone who might be less comfortable with memorization or technology, making sure everyone feels included. The fourth one is teacher guidance. Getting input and feedback from your teacher during the planning stage is invaluable. Their advice helps you go, their advice helps you guide towards best practices and ensures your final project meets all the learning goals. Organizing information logically, keeping you information structured and easy to follow is key to clarity. When things flow logically, your audience can track your message easily, making your announcement more impactful and understandable. Remember, using a clear, friendly tone, how you say something is just as important as what you say. A clear, friendly tone makes your presentation inviting and ensures your message is well received and fostering better communication and connection. And for the last slide, and for the last slide, it is about the short accuracy activities. So the substitution drill, for example, please proceed to the blank. Improve the line. A wrong, for example, no brings firecrackers, which is it is implies that it is wrongdoing of before you proceed, please no brings firecrackers. The correct way is firecrackers are not allowed. Quick pronunciation practice. Belongingness, prohibited, assistance. So in the last task cycle, we're going to talk about the report, which is the groups present their 30 to 45 seconds announcement. Teacher listens for clarity of message, complete safety information, realistic delivery. For example, closing. This is the closing line example. Thank you and enjoy the celebration. Viva Fiesta. So having a clarity of message, making sure your main point is easy to grasp means the core message should hit your audience right away. You want the information structured logically, skipping the jargon and support your complex language that might hide what you're really trying to say. People should be able to live with a solid understanding of your message. No extra explanations needed. Completely safety information, checking that you have included all the necessary safety details means explicitly rather mentioning any potential risks or needed precautions. This just ensures everyone is fully informed on how to stay safe or avoid hazards discussed in the presentation. Honestly, leaving out critically safety information could have a serious consequences and would make for a pretty bad influation or evaluation. Realistic delivery. It is assessing if your presentation is practical and believable means the content should be grounded in reality and totally double for your audience. The information you present needs to be credible, backed, backed by fact or evidence, and delivered in a way that feels authentic and trustworthy. Unrealistic delivery avoids wild claims or impractical suggestions that might just undermine the wrong or the whole thing. Example the closing line, closing the example closing line, like I said, is like for example, thanks everyone and enjoy the celebration. Viva Fiesta. As you can see, in this sentence, it wraps things up nicely on a positive, celebratory note, which is perfect for an event or topic related to fiesta or gathering. It is clear and a simple way to end the message and the audience in the including spirit of the event. And on the last part of the task cycle, which will be which will be which will be discussed by Miss Chavez about the analysis. Miss Chavez, are you there?
Yes, Scorpio, thank you. Proceed to the last slide, where you're going to have a substitution drill. Like for instance, please proceed to the blank. So in language focus, this is where the sentence structure and accurate word choice. So students practice this in replacing one word with another while keeping the grammar intact. So this is help learners notice how words fit in context and reinforces accurately informed. So now you're going to give you a different, like I'll be going to give you a different location, like hall, classroom, or gate. So this is going to repeat the full sentence each time, like please proceed to the hall or please proceed to the classroom. Notice how the verb proceed stays the same. So we're focusing on using the right noun correctly. Now improving the line. So improving the line, like for instance, no bringing firecrackers. So the correct word you're going to use is firecrackers are not allowed. So in here, students focus on grammar, sentence structure, and appropriateness. This is not about the meaning where everyone understands the prohibition, but about producing the correct natural English form. Like we need a full sentence using a proper grammar, like firecrackers are not allowed. So notice the wrong version sounds like a sign in broken English. We are practicing the correct polite way to write or say it. Like here in this quick pronunciation in this like belongings or prohibited assistance. So as what I've said in the previous slide, where you're going to use the stress patterns, the syllables, and the difficult phonemes, where you're going to that it helps to prevent the mispronunciation that can confuse listeners. And that is all for our topic, Rhea.
Okay, so I hope that everyone is understand our topic that we tackled about today. So that would be all for our presentation. Again, I am Rhea Jane P. Pañares, the first presenter, and
Joel Carpio for the second presenter, and
The last presenter of this group, Errol Glantz A. Chavez.